Hi, this is Dr. Amrita, and you're listening to the Health Wealth Rich podcast. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about 6 edible greens to grow in your urban garden, your balcony garden. When I started gardening in 2014, I wanted to grow my own food, but it's not easy on a balcony. I kept on trying. One of my favorite experiments was growing leafy greens. I tried aquaponics, hydroponics, store-bought organic liquid fertilizers. I tried growing on pots. And the easiest was growing on pots. But aquaponics I still love. Important features of the greens I grow are they can all be started from seeds. They can be grown in containers. You can grow with good sunlight or in a little bit shady balcony too. Watering needs to be done only once daily. They need well aerated potting mix. You can add cocoa peat or any other organic fertilizers as available. They are not very difficult to grow, and even a beginner can grow these plants at home. Number 1 is the basil. It grows as green lively bushes and has fragrant leaves. It takes about a year to grow. When it flowers, pinch the flowers off. Otherwise, they can become stemmy. Lettuce, they grow in winter and you can plant many varieties. You can pluck the baby leaves within 2 to 3 weeks. Pumpkin greens and pumpkin leaves. They can be grown from ripe seeds of the pumpkin. Takes about 3 weeks to grow into a sprawling climber. You can wait for the pumpkin, but on a balcony, it's best if you eat the green mixed veggies. Mustard greens, they are best grown in winter and early spring. The microgreens are delicious in salads and the bigger greens makes for the sarson ka saag. Coriander, they are very easy to grow. Fresh seeds are needed to grow coriander. Old seeds will not sprout. Homegrown coriander smell and taste perfect. In salads and vegetable side dish, there's nothing like fresh coriander. You can use fresh coriander in your dal, in your mixed veggies, and you can also have them just like that. A good coriander chutney is hard to beat. Garlic greens, you can grow them the year round. Use them in salads, in noodles. You can easily grow them from garlic pods, and they are delicious to eat too. You can try growing spinach on your balcony. It's easy to grow, but you need to start early. It's best to sow the seed in late October, and then you can have small crops throughout November, December and January. Planting onion bulbs which are just starting to shoot also lets you have fresh onion shoots to put in your salads or your veggies. So these are the different varieties of greens that can be easily harvested. If you have your own garden, you can also plant radishes in winter for their delicious greens and the vegetable too. In the podcast coming up next, I will tell you all about the winter vegetable gardening I did in my village home. I hope you liked this episode of the Health Wealth Rich podcast brought to you by Dr. Amrita.